All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. I got something pretty cool from Lautie. Right over here is the X-Lock in this box right over here. But hey, first of all, just don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this fella right over here. Check out Fablades.com and do the cool stuff that you are used to do it, like checking out some knives and fidget toys, because there's some new and pre-owned items right over there. But here we got this bad boy right over here. Of course, it comes with all the little stickers, extra spare parts. But hey, here you have the X-Lock. Check this out. This is the zirconium and stainless steel version for this bad boy. It's really cool, has a nice feel, nice touch. It's zirc and stainless steel, so pretty contrasty, nice look indeed. I just want to show you, for example, right next to the OneWoo camera, it looks like that. And I want to do something different today. Look at this. You never saw this fella because it's a quite a different thing. It's not really a fidget toy, but kinda is. It's a Nikon, and I shoot Nikon since a while, but it's a pretty cool magnifying lens, sorry. With this, I just thought to share it with you. 12D is the magnification ratio. And what else can I show you? A couple toys I got here, something different. I'm gonna show you these two bad boys, which are unusual sliders, just to give you an idea that there's regular ones and there's custom fidget toys as well. So stay tuned for the upcoming videos about these two bad boys. These are the Bathgate sliders, and yeah, something different, another ballpark. This is the consumer, let's say, kind of a tier. That is the custom. So production and custom is the differentiation, but this nonetheless is a very cool one. Sounds loud. There is a way to, I guess when it comes down, no, you can have it silent, but it's a little bit. Here you go. This is pretty satisfying. Look at this. This is from the set of Spy Wars. I want to check the measurements on this fella. 55 millimeters by 13.8. And since I've got it here, I'm going to do a nice weight measuring like so, and see where this guy sits at. Let's see, we have, this time I would say ounces. Let's zero that out, and you have 2.41 ounces in your pocket of zirc goodness. That is gonna be keeping you busy. You see the magnets, they're exposed right over there. 3 states. Nice contrast, Lautie EDC. You can buy it on Fablades.com. Let me know what you think about this fella. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.